What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna be doing what's in your fridge challenge.
Huh? You guys remember me? Yeah. Well, I'm Wrigley. If you don't know, been in a couple of videos, but yeah, we're doing what's in your fridge.
All right, so we are gonna kick off this challenge with I don't know.
I say salt because it's kind of a beginner.
Sure. Let's go.
Yeah, just seriously, just get down on your knees and just.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Not bad, not bad. Man, Grady has to.
It's just salt.
It's like hard.
Yeah, it's like weird. I like the finer grains. Like, ew. Okay. Why don't we do this next? Okay, so the next thing we're doing is
Not bad.
corn syrup.
I'll go first.
I'll go second.
Oh.
It's like look
Well-
how thick this stuff
While
is.
Grady's still struggling with that, we
So
can go.
thick. Ugh. Okay.
Ugh, my lips are chapped.
Oh my. Oh. How much? That good?
Do I have to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, that's how much
Should we
I
go?
kinda got.
Over by the door.
Let's do this.
Okay. Is it bad?
Tastes good.
Ready?
I can barely handle salt. How do you think? Ugh.
Oh,
No,
it
that's good. That one we probably shouldn't have done. It's too easy.
doesn't even taste
But
really.
you need an easy one once in a while. We're doing it on you. No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Ew.
It's not even bad.
It's seriously. It tastes
nothing.
good.
It tastes like nothing.
It tastes good.
Okay.
That's pretty good. Dude. Here, put the cap
I'm
in.
not gonna like the texture, so I'm just gonna go over here, guys.
It tastes good, bro. No, just try it.
Nah.
Oh, I can't do this.
Okay, we'll wait for him.
Cap.
Come on, Grady. Shouldn't have done that, man. Now they can't see your reaction.
Huh?
Did you want to get filmed?
I don't care. I don't like the texture.
Okay, here's the next thing we do. I say do mustard. Mustard.
I hate mustard, guys. I hate it.
Mustard, I'll eat. Oh my!
It's liquidy.
We gotta shake that out.
Do it over the table.
Okay.
I do not do good, guys, with mustard. I like on a skit, like it's probably. I'd rather eat relish than this. Okay. Guys, he gave me a lot. I'm gonna wait for someone else. I want to do it with. How about we all three do this one at the same time?
Oh!
This one at the same. No. Okay, you're disgusting. You are disgusting. You are disgusting.
I love mouthful.
You're disgusting. I could never do that. Congratulations. Like,
this is an easy
if I can somehow do this,
Stop.
Hurry up.
do it.
Grady's a wimp.
Shut up.
You're not
Go.
Ew.
Go.
Shut up.
even. This mustard smells weird. Smell it. It smells nasty. 3, 2,
Going outside.
1. No, Grady.
Oh.
I'm not doing it.
Grady.
I can't do it.
I hate mustard.
I hate mustard too. I can't do it.
No. Congratulations, Wrigley. Guys, next we are gonna do an onion. But the thing is, we can't really put this on a spoon unless we give it to one person. So you know what that means, guys. We're gonna pretend this is an apple and just go. Ah, dang it!
You
Just
gotta
got this.
peel it.
We'll just get all this off real quick, and then you just gotta bite into it. You guys know?
Give me that.
I'll go.
Oh, yeah.
Ew.
my turn. Get that clean side of it. Ready?
You gonna eat that? Come on, Grady, you go next.
Mm-mm.
Do it.
No.
Oh my.
Do
Oh
it.
my God.
There's only like.
Oh my God.
There's that opening right there. Right there.
Oh
All
my.
right, let everyone see. Go.
Why?
3, 2,
Okay, I'm just going over to smash it.
2, 1.
Why?
Go. Oh
So
my God.
Veiny.
Just go. Okay. Ew, boys. Ew. Ew. Okay, that's a bite.
Actually, I don't know if it's nasty. Next up is this Worcestershire. We don't really know Worcestershire sauce. You guys know? Okay. Let's just get right into this.
Wow, way to miss the spoon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's full.
Okay. You do it right away.
God. Oh my God.
Tell us what it tastes like too, will you?
Probably soy sauce.
If it's soy sauce, I can.
That's nasty.
Okay, my turn, I guess. That's a great follow-up.
I'm gonna puke everywhere.
Okay. Well, let me switch arms.
Oh, I'm getting that onion aftertaste. Oh,
It's nice and black.
that junk is nasty.
Ooh. I don't.
It's sour.
Exactly.
No.
Ah!
This is mine. Oh. Guys, this is disgusting.
Shoot.
Drink it. I can't see it. Get down. It's so bad. Just
Okay.
swallow it now. It's better.
Just swallow it. It's not that bad. Okay.
As soon as you swallow. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Ooh.
Oh my God, he threw up.
Sorry about that.
Clean that up. Oh,
Okay. Next thing we're doing is good old-fashioned grenadine.
I can't use a spoon.
Grady's gonna run up and get a new spoon. Right?
I'll for this one out.
Okay. I say we just pour it in our mouth.
Okay.
Hunter?
Not a lot.
Get down here.
Yeah, I'll film it. That's good.
Okay. May?
Ooh, it's like strawberry.
And for Grady?
It tastes like.
Yeah, but I would be the one to throw up.
No, it tastes like syrup from like the ice stuff.
Alright, I'm gonna miss. Here, take it. Yeah, you put it in like your
I'm
shirt.
pretty sure I'm gonna miss, so I'll
Watch.
give it to Ricky.
Watch out. I'm
Ready?
gonna throw
Open
up.
up. Swallow it.
Not a lot,
I won't.
please.
It's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Do a little bit more. Wash down that other stuff.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Little miss there, but that's alright. Alright, we'll get back to that.
And one of our last, or second to last, is
Lemon
juice. We're just gonna do a couple drops, cause
I
running
love
low.
lemon juice though.
so well.
I'll go last.
No, let's have Grady go first this time. Ready?
Get down.
Here.
Let's get a better filming. Let's do this.
Oh! That stuff looks nasty. Okay, let me go.
Let's get that nice face.
Ready?
Ooh.
I'm gonna put a lot in.
Oh.
Chill.
See your face. Let's see your face. Yeah, that's what we'd like to see. Give me some.
Oh my gosh, that is
Do a lot.
nasty.
Can I pour? No, pour.
Let me pour this.
No, I want Grady to.
Do a lot.
Oh, wait. I just guys want you to know. They call me the lemon juice King.
All right, step over there.
No,
Step
they
over there.
don't. Nobody calls you that.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No reaction whatsoever. Okay.
Easy.
And so, since this is kind of a challenge, we decided that since Grady spit out so many and didn't drink them, he's gonna have to eat
Sriracha.
syrup.
I don't think I'm gonna eat it. I think I'm gonna drink it, but yeah.
So,
Let's go.
let's get this.
That's smart.
Countdown. Ready?
Three,
3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh.
Keep on going.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Let's see it.
Let's see it, Grady.
It could be. You could be faking for all we know.
Oh,
Whoa.
his face.
Is it hot?
Oh, I burned my tongue.
Right after lemon juice too. That's always good.
Okay.
It would have been better if I could swallow it, but I can't.
All right, let's get that
Oh, Grady's going for more.
of the easiest drink of a lifetime.
Well,
I'll do that after here. Thank you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, whatever. If you're new, make sure to hit that button. Turn on the bell too. What the fudge are you doing? Looks like he's been doing some weird stuff.
Just to wash it down.
Just make sure to be awesome. Make sure to be awesome. Make sure to be awesome. Jump high, and we'll catch you in the next one.